Well, this week on HISD Now, we're bringing you stories from Forest Brook Middle School as part of our Campus Closeup series. The school is located in the North Forest community in Northeast Houston. Principal Alicia Lewis tells us high-quality instruction is a top priority every single day at the Brook. That's the school's nickname. She says that her super scholars, as she calls them, are consistently striving for improvement. Sixth grade social studies and art of thinking teacher, Miss Bridget Scovil, is part of that dynamic team delivering that instruction and motivation on a daily basis.
You're 3 years here. What's been your experience teaching here?
I would say my experience it's challenged me in a lot of ways, but it's also made me a better teacher. I do feel like it's a very great district to work for just because we want to get the kids to the point where they believe in themselves. And that's why I really love art of thinking as well, because it teaches the kids how to just maneuver through life, to be able to, just make better decisions, especially in our zip code. With the subject of art of thinking and even social studies, like they're just having more experiences, having more talks that I honestly didn't have until I went to college. Like we're learning about metacognitive thinking. We're talking about biases in education.
About what? What are these
right,
things?
literally. Like we talked about bias in social media one day and the kids were just so interested in it. We were able to talk about the presidency and social studies and tied into art of thinking. So it's just definitely a lot of things that the kids can do with the subjects now. So I just think the biggest misconception is just more so that the kids are just having no time to think. They're just like little robots, but it's actually getting them thinking more. And I definitely love how they're able to travel outside of the country and outside of the state, because I didn't have those experiences till I became an adult.